Down, flames to fire.
And then the food show.
Josh, get a picture of this.
I already did.
My small phone.
That's at least 15, 16 feet.
Gee.
Is that 16 feet at least?
Probably.
I think it's 20 almost. Because the fire itself, that's about 10 feet. No. That's about 7 feet. Maybe 8 feet. Two of that. That's probably 20 feet.
But yeah.
Fire!
We were all being stupid and we threw an old 24 pack of beer in the fire.
Boom, boom, boom!
It sounded like someone was just like throwing grenades everywhere. The airplane thinks it's a single fire.
Warning!
Mayday!
And the trees burn higher.
Just destroyed.
Right?
I can still see it. Look.
You can still see the cross. It's way back there. It's like hard to see.
I see it. Then everything around is just starting to fire.
No.
I once had a fire, it was so hot. We literally stood by it with our shoes off like this, and we all got sunburned. Oh, dude.
How was that?
Dude.
Did you see that?
Look at it.
What happened?
Something
That
just fell
was-
out of the fire. I was burning really high
That
now.
It was a cat.
It was a cat.
Dude, that looks way more cool on this.
You get a video of it lighting up?
Oh, I wish.
Oh, I got it.
That's funny.
I'm posting this on Facebook.
You're gonna bring
Am I? I don't know. I didn't even put that
All my friends in Janesville are gonna
Yeah, I
see
got
this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Put that
Look
wind.
at that one more time.
Yeah.
I like screamed it.
That's great. Dude, look. Looks like the color of a Cheeto.
I don't see that.
Doesn't it?
I know, look at it.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Dude, my phone is getting hot.
Right?
They pull his hose back.
Warm water.
It's like, actually, one of the times it was like during the middle of the day, and for some reason we had a bonfire, and one of my friends, he was sitting so close to the fire that his sunglasses started melting.
On his face. Oh, that had to hurt.
Oh,
This last
and we
fire
like had to take a chisel, and it was
I've
actually
seen
stuck.
smaller ones.
It was like
I haven't seen
literally
too many
stuck to
bigger.
his face.
That had, oh my god, dude.
Oh, I told you.
My headphones are like melting.
Let's just stand up right next to it, right at the perimeter.
They were a train track under this, too.
See how close I can get.
Right?
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Dad, those railroad ties are smoking. The railroad ties are smoking, Dad. Yeah,
Yeah, that's the border.
Josh, better view up here.
Hey, Jake, you want to put that board back on closer?
I got it.
Look at the smoke. From where he's spraying? Where he's spraying? See the smoke?
So steamed.
Oh. Look at all the planes. Josh. 1, 2.
Signal fire. All the crosses up. Oh shit, it's even hotter over here. Hey,
Ooh.
I figured out how to get my hair cut. I'm going bald.
Woo.
Shit.
Ooh, that's
I
hot.
feel like a 5-gallon pail.
Oh,
It like came down on the railroad tie, yeah.
just look at the top. Look what shapes it makes.
Oh. Shit.
Ah, my face. It's hot.